Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is we gonna make a Pokemon trading cards again, unpacking of Pokemon trading cards, and this is the season 3 and the continuation of the episodes. Okay, so I have some Paldea Evolve and a Silver Tempest. Okay, so without further ado, let's gonna start it up. Okay, here it goes. Well, we have some Silver Tempest and also I got some Paldea Evolve. So okay, let's gonna open this up. Okay, so this is my first time I have a Paldea Evolve. So there's one right there in the outer box. Is a speed ups EX. Whoa. Look at that nice. Look at that nice holographic reverse. Oh, that one. I don't know if it is a fake or a legit one. Okay, and then right here is I have play Pokemon TCG live. Okay, there's a right there, and then also official Nintendo seal. Okay, so I think this is an original one, so this is not a fake. So if there is, okay, if there is a promo card, if there's a promo card in here, so there's no there's no booster pack. Okay, there's no booster packs. Okay, there's no booster pack. Only this one. Okay, only this one in a tin. Only the tin and the card, so there is no booster packs. Okay, uh, okay, and then and so okay, right there. So this one right here I think is the holographic. It's the same like this one. Okay, it's the same like this one. So let's gonna open this up, since there is no booster pack inside. Okay, we have some Floatzel. Okay, Armarug, Taruntula. Ooh, a Miraidon. Whoa, nice. Okay, Miraidon. Okay, we have some Oinkolon EX. Whoa, nice one right there. So Oinkolon EX. Evolved form of Lechonk. Armarug again. And a Bayonet EX. Whoa! What? A Miraidon EX. Okay. A Wiglet. Okay. A Wiglet. Vivillon. Okay. A Pachirisu. Riolu. Bombardier. Okay. Quacoval. Okay. Is the start here. Is the is of the Paldea. Okay. Toad School. Okay. Setitan. Oinkolon EX. Wow, nice one right there. Gardevoir EX. Okay, so Dondozo. Pachirisu. Wow! Arcanine EX. Whoa, but it's not an holographic. Okay. This is not an holographic. Okay. Okay, Arcanine EX. Scovilane. Arboliva. Okay. And Adolive. Great Tusk EX. Whoa, nice one. Ooh, Gardevoir EX. Look at that. So, Iron Threads EX. A Turkle. A Cacturn. A Magnetorn. A Houndoom. Ooh, a Coraidon EX. Whoa, nice one right there. Coraidon. So, I think I have two. The Coraidon and a Miraidon. Okay. Cluncher. We have some Cluncher. Okay, and a speed ups EX. Okay, whoa, Arcanine EX, but it is not an holographic. Okay, expecting just a holographic for a Arcanine EX. Okay. And this one right here is gonna check. Is a steel type. Okay, it's a steel type. Okay. Let's gonna check it out. Okay. Okay. Whoa! It's a Zion. Whoa! Look at that. It's a Zion. Whoa! Look at that two right there. So speed ups EX and as a Cyan. Okay. Ooh, nice. Ooh, interesting. Love this. Okay. 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 Oh, right there is the Arcanine EX. Find that Miraidon, and also I have the Coraidon, I think. Yes, look at that. So Miraidon and Coraidon. So right there is an electric type in a fighting. Oh, I don't know. Okay, right there. So nice one right there. Rice card over there. So and then let's gonna go. Uh, let's gonna open this up. So Silver Tempest, Pokemon Training Card Game, Pokemon Go. So okay, there. Yes, gonna check okay, happening in the card. Okay, and we have some Capiraja, Phalanx, Zamagenta, Sableye, Wabafet, Ice-Q, and a Cinderace. So in Pokemon cards natin natin. Okay, so there we go. So bunch of new Pokemon right here from the Paldea. So we got some Gogoth, Alomomola, Cruncher, and also Houndoom from the I think from the second generation, Magneton, Cacturne, Turtle, Dolly, Arboliva, Scobilin, Pachirisu, Dundoso, Sititian, and then Toadskull, Quaquaval, so Bombardier, Riolo, Pachirisu, Vivillon, Wiglet, Armarog, Tarantula, Armarog, and a Floatzel. So, and also the last, okay, okay, it's a Miraidon, okay, it's a legendary, basic legendary, and also got some EX over here, Coraidon, Miraidon, and Arcanine EX, Speed Ups EX, Iron Threads EX, Gardevoir EX, Great Tusk EX, and then Arcanine EX, Gardevoir EX, Oinkolon EX, Bayonet EX, and an Oinkolon EX again. So wow, I have two. Okay, the one is a full art, and also the one is one right here. So nice one, Oinkolon evolved from Lechonk. Okay, and I think this is for this vlog. Okay. So that's it for this vlog, and I hope you enjoy. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more unpacking of Pokemon cards, retro toys, techs and gadgets, EDC, on also gaming and travel. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. So let's do a gameplay soon here in my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy.